If you already have all you need to be successful, what if impossible was nothing to you? What if you did not have to worry about who is behind you, besides you, or before you? What if you were prepared for such a time as this? Today, we stand in what is a brand new dawn. Our world is different, our experiences empowering, and our future exciting. When times seemed uncertain, our normal disrupted, and our world completely shaken, remember what you chose to believe. Remember what you chose to resist. Remember what you overcame. Remember what you achieved in the midst of it all. Now, continue to give it your best shot. Allow your yesterday to shape your today, and your today to ignite your tomorrow. Let us stand in the light of this new dawn and know that we are equipped for greatness. We are equipped to deliver the best, to deliver the unmatched, and to deliver the groundbreaking for all who keep Africa moving.
Good morning, Sunny.